guys, I'm back with another Swiggy related topic. And the last time I spoke about Swiggy, I spoke on Swiggy Bold, and this time I'm here to talk about Swiggy Gourmet. So other than Swiggy Bowl, Swiggy Gourmet is one of my favorite sections, from where you can order food via Swiggy. So if you are a person who loves fine dining, loves dressing up, fancy top-tier restaurants, this section is so meant for you. So like I said, in my opinion, other than Swiggy Bowl, Swiggy Gourmet is my favorite because I always love to order from Swiggy Gourmet. Like, oh my god, so many fancy restaurants, literally, especially, oh my god, and then there's Japanese, you can use like Japanese, Italian, and what not from that gourmet sections. That's why other than Swiggy Bowl, Swiggy Gourmet is one of my favorite sections from Swiggy. So now with all this, Swiggy ordering, online and everything, if you're a person also, who's like constantly working or, has this and that, you usually cannot, go to these fancy restaurants for, your fine dining experience, which of course you love, you must be one of those people. I mean, the fact that you can have it at home. Like, you cannot go to a fancy restaurant, but you can eat from there at home. I mean, that's one of the best things. Like, usually, like, if you want to have food from a fancy restaurant, you would like to, dress up, go to that restaurant and, have the whole experience. But if you cannot do that, I mean, you can obviously have it, order at home, yeah. I mean, isn't that so amazing? So it's not like, oh my god, I don't have the time, I have work, I have this and I have that, like, I cannot enjoy the fine dining, experience. But no, you can. You just gotta go to Swiggy, order from the gourmet section, select the the favorite restaurant from which you want, and order it from there. You can get it at home, so don't need to go to the restaurant to get all that fine dining experience and everything. So the gourmet section is one of the best. I love that section other than Swiggy. Another amazing feature of Swiggy Gourmet section is premium service. I mean, since it's gourmet, it's all fancy, top tier, elite, if you know what I mean. So obviously you're gonna get premium service, and just like Swiggy Bowl, you're gonna get quick, fast delivery. I mean, if you're ordering from a restaurant that's far away, since all these top tier restaurants and everything usually are located far away. I mean, that's gonna be a different thing. But usually if you find a restaurant or anything that you like, which is gourmet from the gourmet section, you are gonna get it via fast delivery. Best feature of Swiggy. And how can we forget about the offers and the savings? I mean, since you've ordered from the premium, Gourmet Delights, obviously you're going to be given offers and savings and 50% off, 10% off, and oh my god, also, what we just love, when we get offers and coupons and everything. So that's just one of the biggest benefits from ordering from, Gourmet Delights and Swiggy Gourmet. Yes, and oh, guys, you would be thinking like, oh my god, there's not going to be, there's going to be 3-star restaurants or something. No. Not even 4-star restaurants. In Swiggy Gourmet Delights, 5-star restaurants you're going to get. I mean, since it's the, of Swiggy, you're going to get 5-star restaurants only. Below 5 stars, maximum is 5, minimum is 4 stars. So I mean, if you want to, have some 5-star restaurants, obviously where to go? Swiggy Gourmet or Swiggy Gourmet Delight. So from ordering from the gourmet or the gourmet delight section, you not only get a bunch of discounts and everything, you get your fine dining experience at home, quick delivery, and so many offers and everything. So what are you waiting for, yaar? Jaldi jao gourmet section se order karo and get the fine dining experience at home. Yaar, kya kar rahe ho? Jao abhi ke abhi. If you're craving for something from a top tier restaurant, abhi jao, come on, go to Swiggy and order from Swiggy guys. Enjoy a meal, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.